In this video, I'll show you how to adjust idle speed on a vehicle. This method can be used with vehicles that do not have electronic throttle body. If you don't know whether your vehicle is equipped with electronic throttle body or not, then you need to see if there are any cables connected to the throttle body. If you see cables connected to the throttle body, then it is not electronic throttle body. To adjust idle speed on an electronic throttle body is a different procedure, and possibly different procedures for different vehicle models. So what is the idle speed? The idle speed is the rotational speed of an engine when a vehicle is at a stop position but the engine is running. So the vehicle today I'm working on is a 2003 Mazda MPV. As you can see, the idle speed of this vehicle is 1200 RPM. Is this correct? Let's find out. How to check the idle speed? To find the correct idle speed, let's look at the sticker under the hood. The sticker indicates that the correct idle speed for this vehicle is 700 RPM. Now I need to locate the adjusting screw by following the cable going to the throttle body. This little screw is the adjusting screw. I will rotate the screw with a wrench to change the idle speed. Here I'm using number 8 wrench. I'm doing this on a running vehicle. It can also be done on a stock engine, but then you need to start the engine every time you make the adjustment. If you're doing it on a running engine, you will notice the difference in sound from the engine indicating the change of RPM. But you need to be very careful not to put your hand anywhere near the running belt or pulley. This can cause serious injury. After making some adjustment, I looked at the tachometer. It is showing 1000 RPM. That means I need to adjust a bit more. Now it is showing me 800 RPM. So I'll have to adjust a little bit more and it should be fine. As you can see, our RPM has been corrected and it is at 700. It's all set. It's time to find out the answer to the question, what does MPV stands for? So the answer is multi-purpose vehicle. Yes, Mazda MPV, multi-purpose vehicle. So folks, if you find this video helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Thank you for watching.